Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about how we can use all the widgets and shortcodes of GeoDirectory on our GeoDirectory website. So, first of all, we need to come to the page settings where there is a simple template. So, we need to edit this GD single template. We can edit it by going to pages from here and clicking on GD details. So here by default, we get some sections on the GD detail page, which include widgets like GD notification, GD post image, GD single taxonomies, GD single tabs, and the content for the two tabs, and GD single next previous. We will learn how to customize this or how to use other available GeoDirectory widgets in our templates and what their purpose is. First of all, we need to click on the plus icon here. Here, under the GeoDirectory category, we can find all the GeoDirectory widgets under the GD prefix. The first one is GeoDirectory A Z search result. We use this to search for our listings in GeoDirectory in alphabetical order. If we want to filter listings as a list in alphabetical order, we will use this list and it will show us the results. Next is our GD search result. The GD search result is the GeoDirectory search bar, which provides us with the GeoDirectory search form, in which, by default, we get a text field and a location field, with which we can search for our GeoDirectory listings. Next is our GeoDirectory best of thing. This means if we are in a category, for example, this is a listing in the marketing and sales category. If we want to show the best listings of this marketing and sales category, we need to use this type of widget here. Next is our GeoDirectory categories. This shows us all the categories of GeoDirectory in a grid format. Next is GeoDirectory category description. This means it shows us the category description of GeoDirectory. GeoDirectory dashboard. This is the GeoDirectory dashboard which shows the user dashboard to the logged in user so that they can add a listing and view their listings. Next is recent reviews. If we want to show recent reviews of GeoDirectory on our website, we can show them by using this widget from here, GD CPT Meta. If we want to show GeoDirectory's meta title, meta description, CPT description, and images on the post type archive page, we can show them by using this widget. Next is our GD post badge. This is for showing the post badge, which we are showing here as a new badge. Similarly, you can also show your own badge here through this widget. Next is GD post meta. We use this to show the meta fields of GeoDirectory on the single post or single listing page. Next is GD post image. As you saw, we are showing our GD post image widget or Gutenberg block here, GD post title. We use this to show the GeoDirectory post title. Next is GD post rating. This shows a GD post rating in stars, meaning if we want to show the GeoDirectory ratings in stars, we can show them through this widget. GD post favorite. This means if we want to add the functionality of favorite and unfavorite, we can use this widget for that. GD direction. This is our GeoDirectory direction widget with which we can add a direct link to the GeoDirectory Google map, and we can also provide the location link from here. Whatever location we have added to the GeoDirectory listing, it will fetch it by default from here according to Google Maps. As we show here, then it will show it here. Next is GeoDirectory GD post content. We use this to show the listings post content for GeoDirectory. GD post address. We use this to display the address of the listing. GD output location. This can be used to output many custom fields in one location, meaning we can use this to show some custom fields in one location. Author action. In this, we use GD author action so that if any author wants to edit or delete that listing, we can use this widget to give them the capability to edit or delete their listing. GD listing. If we want to list our listings anywhere on our GeoDirectory website, we can fulfill our requirement by using this widget, GD map. This shows our GeoDirectory map. Next is GD recently reviewed. We can show recently viewed listings anywhere on our GeoDirectory website through this widget. GD single tab, which is visible here, which we have used as the GD single tab. GD notification. We are using this here on the single detail page. So we show all the notifications related to GeoDirectory here through this GD notification. GD add listing. GD add listing. If we want to add the geodirectory listing form to any page, we can add it using this widget. Next is GD dynamic content. If we want to display dynamic content from the geodirectory post fields, we can use this widget to show it. GD loop item. GD loop. This represents the geodirectory loop, which by default shows the current post from the main WP query to the URL. This is only used on the GD archive template. This means we can use it to create our geodirectory archive template. Next is GD loop paging. If we want to add pagination below the geodirectory loop, we can add that pagination using the GD loop paging widget. Next is GD loop action. GD loop action means we can use this to utilize the grid or short grid view. GD archive item section. We can use this to display a single item. Next is GD single taxonomies. We are using GD single taxonomies on the single page. This means we can use it to show which category and which tags a particular listing belongs to. Next is GD distance to post. This shows the distance to the current post. It provides the distance from the current post in miles or any other parameter depending on the settings we choose here. Next is GD map pinpoint. Shows a link that will open the map marker window on the map. This shows us the pinpoint in the geodirectory map location. Next is GD page title. This shows the title of our geodirectory page. Simple archive item. We can create how our archive item should be built from here and display it anywhere. GD simple archive. This is a simple geodirectory archive item. We can use it to create an archive page, which also includes a map, business hours, and placeholders. Our next widget is GD Post Featured widget. This shows a list of post features. This means we display it to show our featured post fields. For example, categories, address, phone, email, website, and our social links. Custom field auto. From here, we can also manually select which fields we want to show and which fields we do not want to show in the post featured section. Next is our GD report post. We use this on the single template listing page so that if we want to report any listing for inappropriate content, we can use this. Next is GD Ninja Forms. By using this, we can use some geodirectory features through Ninja Forms, such as report post, geodirectories. There are many such functionalities that we can use through Ninja Forms. Next is GD Single Close Text. This is our admin notice. Shows a closed down warning text if a post has a closed status. This means we can specify that if any listing status is closed, it will show as a notification here on the single listing. So these are the default widgets for our geodirectory. You can also call them geodirectory blocks, which we can use for our geodirectory website. If you have any queries related to all these geodirectory widgets, shortcodes, or Gutenberg blocks, you can book a one-to-one consultation with our geodirectory expert by clicking the book consultation button on wpgeobuddy.com, and that too for a free 30 minutes. You can book a consultation with the date and time here to connect with our geodirectory expert via our Calendly link. Along with this, you can also view our geodirectory add-ons and purchase them according to your needs, which are available in single site licenses, 5 site licenses, and unlimited site licenses. You can also purchase our membership, which starts at $99 per year, in which you get our 10 premium add-ons, and all our future add-ons are also covered in this membership. So please use our add-ons and our geodirectory membership and share your feedback with us. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.